Just listed, a quintessential Broadkill Beach cottage with 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, updated multi-zone HVAC mini-split heat pump systems, updated hot water heater, roof that has been replaced in the past 10 years, located on a 45x108 home site and has an active flood insurance policy that is transferable. This property also offers 3 storage sheds, newer gravel driveway, and a screened porch. All of this behind the Primehook National Wildlife Refuge and just steps to the beach that is just a block away on the Delaware Bay with spectacular sunrises and sunsets. Call for an appointment today.